Hey my friends, this is Loli. Welcome to the channel. Today I bring you beautiful fall DIYs using Dollar Tree products. I hope you enjoy these projects. Let's go ahead and get on with them.
Let's create a beautiful candle holder. So here we are going to take one of these glass jars from Dollar Tree. I remove the cap, and I'm going to take one of these glass candle holders from Dollar Tree as well, and a metal leaf that I found from one of the other items, and you'll see it right here. I painted and used that Rust-Oleum rose gold paint. Now I'm going to remove that sticker, and using some fixed hole adhesive, I added some to the tip of the candle holder as you see there, and position it onto my glass jar. Guys, this did not work for me. I let it sit for 24 hours. When I came back the next day, making sure that everything looks beautiful. I repositioned my cap just to make sure everything looked like I liked it, and it's gorgeous. Now I'm coming in with one of these tea light candles from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to add it to the little jar right there. And I'm going to reposition my cap as well. So here I'm just observing to see, if I still like it, how is everything looking. And I noticed that that joint between the two glass pieces was weak, so I had to go ahead and redo this. So I removed everything off, and look how easy it was to remove this from here, guys. Look, after 24 hours. So I will recommend using E6000 to adhere these two pieces. This is usually my go-to, but I figured let me try the other one. So I went back and added my E6000 to the candle holder, and I'm going to reposition it once again. And for the sake of time, I continue working, but just being very careful not to disturb the two pieces on there. So now I'm going to go back and add my little tea light candle on there and reposition the cap. And here I'm going to attach this metal leaf. This metal leaf came from another product from Dollar Tree. I cannot remember for the life of me which one it was, but I'm glad that it was there because it was perfect for this. So I added E6000 to the entire middle section of the leaf there, and I added some hot glue to the little tip in the bottom and the top, just to hold it in place until that E6000 set everything up. Look how pretty that's looking so far, guys. Oh my goodness, I love this piece. Anyway, then I took the little tea light candle and put it back in there, and this is pretty much it. Look how pretty this turned out, guys. I love this piece. Let me know how you like it. And at night, that glow through that glass is gorgeous. Let me know what you think in the comments. Friends, this video is part of Dollar Tree Glass DIYs collaboration, and we are collaborating today with Lisa from Our Gray House, Shannon from Hot Mess Crafting, Gwen from At Home with Gigi, myself, Loli from Loli D's Creations, and Missy from Crafty Co DIY. The link to our channels and to the playlist will be linked in the description box below and also pinned in the comments. Don't forget to head on over to the playlist so you don't miss out any of the videos from these amazing creators. Thank you so much. And don't forget to subscribe. For our second inspiration piece today, we are going to use this glass jar from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just dusting it off. I had it for a while, guys, so I had to dust it off. Anyway, then I took one of these little stems from Dollar Tree as well. And I'm going to take one of these leaves from that big as well. I'm going to remove that plastic piece on there, and I'm going to add a happy amount of hot glue to the very center of my jar lid as you see there, and press the leaf down. Here, be very careful you don't burn yourself. I took this stem and pressed it down, and the hot glue was going to ooze out through that hole in the middle, so it was perfect. Everything was adhered right there. Then I'm taking this pick also from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to dissect it and use little different areas on here. I'm starting with these little beads, and I'll just keep adding pieces here and there until I'm happy with what it's looking like. My friends, if you enjoyed this video so far, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. And if you do subscribe, make sure that you hit the notification bell and you set it for all so you're notified each time that I upload a video. All these things are free and they mean the world to me. I also want to take a moment to say thank you so much to all my subscribers for your unending support, for all your love, and for all your kindness. I truly appreciate you. All right, friends, so as you see there, I just kept adding some more. I added about 2 to 3 of these little sunflowers or daisies. I'm not sure what they are at this point. Oh, they're not moms, but oh my lord. Today, guys, I am so tired. I'm just not making any sense. But anyway, I think they're sunflowers. I think they are white sunflowers, or maybe they're daisies. It could be either or. Sometimes the Dollar Tree has no names on them either, so it doesn't help. But anyway, here in areas in which I felt that it was looking a little scarce, I came in with a little bit more of those leaves, and I'm adding it from 2 different picks because one has like more of a brown color and the other one has like green that is turning to red. So I did want to have each one of those elements on here, so that's why I'm using the little greenery or the leaves from different picks. And then I'm adding my third sunflower. I'm gonna call it sunflower from now on. And here I'm using the little bee berries that came with it as well. I'm using pretty much the same pick on here, with the exception of the leaves that I'm using for that other pick that you see there from the orange flowers. And all of these came from Dollar Tree. And this is how this part turned out. Then I'm going to remove the cap off, and I'm going to take one of those tea light candles from Dollar Tree and place them inside the jar. This was the first option that I thought of. I'm going to put the cap back on. Let me know how you like it with just the tea light candle. Then I was like, you know what, I want a little bit of that Spanish moss in there. So I brought some Spanish moss, added it there, make sure that it was nicely level so my candle will be straight on there. Place it right in the middle on there and replace my cap. And this is the option that I went with. Let me know in the comments which one you would have preferred. And that is it for this one. This is how it's looking so far. Let me know how you like it. For our next inspiration, we are going to use this wood round from Dollar Tree. I removed the tag at the back. And I'm going to first come in with some antique wax from Waverly. This was my first attempt. Then I'm going to take this little gourd from Dollar Tree. I got it last year. And I'm painting it with 2 coats of my moss color from Waverly. Quickly dried it with my heat gun, as you see there. And I'm going to come in with this green. Actually, no, I changed my mind about the round and I painted it with that rose gold paint. Put it to the side. While that's drying, I'm going to come in with this green color from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to add it to all of the creases of the pumpkin there and to the flowers at the front as well. Then I come in with that moss color from Waverly, and I am adding it on top of that dark green just to blend everything in. And I also added it to smooth down the colors on the flowers. And this is how it's turning out so far. Let me know what you think. Then I took some burnt amber from Apple Barrel, and I'm going to use it to color in the stem of the pumpkin, or the rodunculum, something duncle. Now we're going to take some E6000 and I'm going to add it to the raised sections here that we have by the bottom of the gourd. And I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue as well to have the immediate hold. And I'm going to glue it as the base as you see there once I have painted it already with that rose gold spray paint from Rust-Oleum. Now we're going to embellish this a little bit more. So I took some of these leaves from Dollar Tree from that same pick that we used for the previous DIYs. And I'm going to create smaller leaves using this leaves right here. So here you see me tracing. I kind of did like a water drop shape, and I made 2 of them. Then I glue them there at the top of the gourd, at the base of the peduncle, the dunkel thingy. And then once I was glued in place, we are going to embellish it a little bit more using one of the sunflowers. But you know already, I'm not done yet. So I had to take one of those little pieces of the little berries and add it to this as well to just give it a little bit more variety and just make it more, I don't know. I just love the texture between these 2 items together. Look how cute that is. I love it. Let me know what you think. For the next inspiration, I'm going to use this little vase from Dollar Tree. It just reminds me of another gourd. So I'm going to paint it using that rose gold paint from Rust-Oleum. And this is easy peasy lemon squeezy, guys. I just took one more of these picks from Dollar Tree that have the white sunflowers, the berries, and the little wheat looking things on there. And just propped it in here. And then I added a little bit more wheat from another leftover pick that I had on there just to fill it in a little bit more. And then all I did was, add it on the base and then fluff everything up. And that's all she wrote. Let me know what you think. And here's the final review. Don't forget to let me know which one is your favorite. My friends, as always, thank you so much for watching. Be blessed, be a blessing, and craft responsibly. And if you would like to follow me on social media, here are my social media links. And don't forget to visit my friends in the playlist. And if you would like to see one more of my videos, here is a suggestion, and go ahead and binge with this playlist. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. You guys are awesome. Have an amazing day. Bye.